Did you know that you can expand the lifespan of your roof? Hello homeowners, thank you so much for joining me today. So I just wanted to spend some time today and talk to you about the things that you can do to maintain your roof and of course expand the lifespan of your roof. Okay, so let's walk through a couple of things. One of the things that you should do is hire a roofer to come and basically fix the small things on your roof, because the small things can actually turn out to be bigger problems if they're not addressed early on. And one of those things could be the penetrations on the roof. So what's going on around the penetrations will actually tell you a lot about the condition of the roof. How long the roof is gonna last, because most of the leaks happen around penetrations. So let's take a look here. One of the things they can do is nail down and re-secure the nails and put sealant on top of them. They can also reseal where the flashing meets the pipes, the joint areas. Remember that the sealant actually wears down over time, so you really want to replace that. The other thing that they can do is to repaint the pipes, because that can actually prevent rust. The other thing that a roofer can do is cut back the shingles further from the flashing. And that's basically to allow a good solid waterway. So you basically want 2 fingers distance between the edge of the shingle and the edge of the flashing. You basically want to make a water channel. Like you can see in this image here, this one needs to be cut back. Ultimately, the roofer should look for any loose or rusted nails, have them of course replaced, such as the ones here on this image. So just remember, you don't just want a roofer to come out and just do major repairs. They can actually come and fix some of the issues that I pointed out today. Trust me, these smaller issues can turn out to be bigger issues down the track. So prevention is best for the longevity of your roof and of course, your wallet. That's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you would like us to come and give you a roof quote, or if you would like a solo quote, you can go to the description box below, or of course you can go to our website for more information. Have a good day.